Well, it is now Saturday morning and we are at the park where we're gonna meet up with Amanda and Blake. We'll take you with us.
Hope to see you soon.
Hey! Good, how are you?
Good. We brought some food we were to eat.
Oh my gosh,
Hey,
yeah. Something. Yeah. So,
Yeah, buddy.
do you know Miriam or whatever that's from? Yeah. She brought down similar snacks from Canada because she's also from Ontario.
Right, yeah.
I was
Well,
like, oh my gosh, you guys have really good snacks, I think.
Thanks, buddy. Oh my
You know,
goodness, hold on. We
All
got
the
one.
snacks here in America,
Like,
they're not the same
Look.
as everywhere else because
this is so cool.
they
We
add
got
all the
ketchup
dyes and
chips.
stuff
Guys,
in it.
just
That's why when if I go out there
Smarties.
and stuff like that, it's just so
Smile for
refreshing.
camera, buddy.
It's
Oh my
so good.
goodness. Oh, these are so good. Miriam brought me some.
Yeah, it's good. It tastes good, but they do
Oh my
put a lot of
gosh.
stuff.
I love the hickory sticks.
Huh?
Miriam brought these.
Oh my gosh, those are so good. I do like those, yeah.
Yeah.
Should have brought a big. Because they are really good though. They just have a good taste. Yeah.
Sister. Oh my goodness. Where'd he go? Is he over there?
He's right there.
Oh my gosh. But also keep looking. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. Hey, girl. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The wind. Oh, that's cool.
Yes!
I was trying to find something for him.
Softball, he's saying.
She wants something kind of
Funny.
authentic.
Like a football.
I like those socks. She'll like those that have the. Yeah. That's real.
He's took all the things.
Well, there you go.
Thank you, sister. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And then another time was,
All right.
just something like this.
Checking out the bookstore with Amanda.
Oh, you're good.
Are you feeling
Andrew's favorite part of the bookstore. His favorite. And look!
We've been in here a few times. Yeah, it's got like the whole save little museum. Okay, and that's where you get up there. That's pretty far. I don't think you can get up there. Hey, look.
Creeps up, but it's all good.
So they love Coca-Cola stuff.
Oh, okay.
Just hanging out.
That's right up there. It's down that road over.
Okay, so we just left Amanda and Blake and the little man, and now we are driving out to see if we can find Cummins Falls State Park. And it was great to meet up with Amanda and see her, and Andrew and Blake really kind of chatted quite a bit, so that was really good. And yeah, now we're on these roads that make me a little nervous. This one's not so bad right now, but the up and down narrow roads make me a little nervous. Rest up ahead.
Good. We all like to rest, right now.
Welcome. Okay, we're walking to the falls overlook, and it's nice and shaded, so even though it's 30 degrees outside, it is lovely here. Very
Beautiful.
yeah.
That's 30 degrees Celsius.
Well, of course it was.
Yeah, but for your American friends watching, they might say that's cold
Yes, they might think that's cold.
if it's in Fahrenheit.
It's a good thing I brought runners. So after leaving the falls, we stopped at the Old Mill Campground General Store to get some ice cream. And there's a really cute little playground, and this thing, I don't know what it is. Just a little gnome home. That's cool. Look, they even have a little camper. The sign has the 10 Commandments on it. It is now the morning of day 8, Sunday, and today is going to be a nature day. We're going to a bunch of waterfalls and state parks and see what we can find outside in God's nature. Well, hopefully my allergies will be okay because I'm feeling them right now, but we'll see what happens. But it's supposed to be another beautiful day, so should be good.
Would you like another Kleenex, honey?
No, I'm okay right now.
Okay.
Okay, so we found Burgess Falls State Park, and this is right off the parking lot.
Want to come down? Probably about as far as I'm gonna go. That's good
It
enough.
was a bigger drop than I was
Yeah,
expecting.
just so you can get a nice picture there. That was beautiful.
Taking a little hike, see the falls. Oh, here's better. Okay, so was the hike worth it?
Yes.
My legs aren't so sure at the moment, but yes.
We're halfway, so.
Okay, here we go, continuing. Wow. Okay, we made it to Twin Falls. Huge. We're doing stairs again. But these ones are much nicer stairs. There's a butterfly. enjoying the falls here. Okay, time to go back up the stairs. Can we do it? Roads scare me. Okay, so we've made it to Great Falls inside Rock Harbor State Park. I think that's what it's called. Rock Island State Park, actually. Because now I'm not sure. I think it's Rock Island. I'll have to find a sign at some point. And let's see, are we going for a walk? No. No, we are not. Changed our mind. We're going for a little walk. We'll see how far we get. When we decide to turn around. Getting our stairs in today. No.
Let's get a picture.
Found a small one that's kind of hidden. Well, that was just a short little walk because it was a lot of stairs and not up for that after the previous one. So now we got pointed to another overlook, so that's where we're headed. We have now made it to Old Fort Stone Archaeological Park? State Park? Something. I don't know. It's a long name.
You did very well.
I don't remember.
I would have messed that up.
I did mess it up.
Not my world. You did fine.
Okay. I spy water somewhere. Way down there. Okay, are we going to the museum or are we going to the prehistoric enclosure?
Does it cost to go in?
I don't know.
Check out museum. Since we're here.
We're walking and we don't know where we're going.
Do we ever?
Sometimes. What did Andrew find?
You get a view from here, Hannah, I guess, if you want a little video or something.
I see water.
Yeah.
And fort walls. Some sort of walls. They think it was a paper mill, I think is what the sign said. I'll go back and find out. The main mill, the main paper mill is suspected to be this one. Okay. Are we doing above wall or below wall?
We're going below, babe. We're going below.
We're going downstairs again. Downstairs.
Going to the...
Okay, we can spy a little bit. So we have made it to our hotel for another night. We are staying in Manchester, Tennessee at the Sleep Inn, and we asked for a king room and we got an accessible room. And I'm like, we don't need an accessible room, but the guy said it's fine. It's not very busy tonight. We're not taking it from somebody. Okay. So we have a lot of room. Here's our fridge. Walk in, this door is the bathroom, and then like a ton, like all this extra space. So yeah. And so today we did so much walking. I said to Andrew, I really hope my phone congratulates me for steps today. I haven't checked it yet. I will check it and see, because we did so much walking outside and with waterfalls and hikes, and yeah, it was good. It was hot. It was another 30 some degree day. I am Canadian, so it's in Celsius. I'm sorry, I cannot convert. I mean, I could look it up, but I'm not going to. Then we found an Ollie's and I picked up a couple more True Color books. I'm just collecting them all, I guess. I will do a book haul. Probably will be posted before these vlogs. I don't know. Depends. I don't know how the vlogging's going and how I'm going to edit it, so how it's going to be posted. I will figure that out when I get home. But let me check my phone and see, did it congratulate me for my number of steps? It did. I did approximately 8,900 or close to 9,000 almost. And my phone congratulates me at 6,000. I mean, it would have been nice if I'd made it to the 10,000, but that's okay. I don't normally do a lot of steps, or don't get a lot of steps recorded on my phone. So I'm proud of that.